Microsoft announces Windows 11 with a new design, start menu, and more. Let's talk about that, guys. So here you can see on the Verge website. Let's just do the right thing here because it's not the way I like it. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now it's look fine. That's right. Just a little more. Okay, now it's perfect. So, no, my my camera is cutting. Just a minute. It's live, guys, so have patience. Just a little cut here, and that's fine. Now it's good, very good. So, if you don't know yet, Microsoft launched Windows 11 today. And I will talk about that with you and you read the news on the Diverge website. The link of this news will be on the description of this video. And this video are published in G Technology channel. So if you want to participate with me during the live, you can go to the link on the description and subscribe in my G Tech live channel, and there you can participate with me during the live, okay? So there are a lot of things on Windows 11 that I want to talk to you guys. The first thing we have to see, it's some change they made. There are some pictures here we can see. So the first change will be a theme. They have a different kind of theme that I don't see a lot of difference to Windows 10. For me, it's look like the same thing. The Let's see if we can put it on. No. So let's do this. You can see the same things we have on Windows 11 and we had on Windows 10. So there is not a lot of changes. And here there is the app now, né? You can use a lot of now you can download better apps. This one of the good things that I found. The Microsoft Edge that sucks. No one's used this. I just use Google Chrome. I never use Microsoft Edge, Microsoft browser because it's not that good. I just used to download Google Chrome and that is it. And here we have the main menu. Maybe that's it. Not that difference. Multitarefas, multitasking. Multitasking, I already have that. You can't do that, man. That's not that change. I already can do that. The floating app. Ah, it's the same thing. I can't see nothing that will be different. That will be a revolutionary thing. It's look like just the same software. So guys, that's what I want to talk to you. For many years, we have computers with Windows, and in Brazil, where I lived, we don't we don't have Apple computers, so I cannot talk to you about my experience using iMac and softwares that use app Apple because I don't have Apple. Apple in Brazil is so expensive, and I always have Windows. And for long time, Windows is the same. Every time they upgrade the software, it will be the same. And I think it is the same for Apple. Apple made one good thing and they just improve the thing to run better. And Windows try to upgrade and create another other things to make this better. And this always look like the same. And I don't see nothing that will change my life using Windows 11. I can continue using Windows 10 and it will be great for me. I don't have the need to upgrade to Windows 11. Even I know that I can upgrade it for free because I have the license for Windows 10 and I can upgrade for free to Windows 11. But that is a issue. Some people are talking that Windows 11 need more processing from computer to process. So if I upgrade to Windows 11, I will make my computer uh, process a lot of more content, and I will have some problems if I try to play some game and my computer can't do that because we have a heavier Windows 11. So I saw as well a news that Windows and Microsoft were reducing the requirements for using Windows 11. But I don't know if it'll be good that you wait until this be improved, this be tested, and after everyone tests, everyone no or no everyone, but the main people test and they say it's a good thing. Maybe I will upgrade my Windows 10 to Windows 11 just to have the newest version and don't have problems with bugs. That's okay. So if you like what I talked here in this clip, you can go to my YouTube channel, The Tech Dot, where we talk about the news of technology and you can participate with me, comment and talk what do you think about all those news, okay? So comment on the description. You can see the link on the description and comment here on the box. What do you think about Windows 11? You use Windows 10? You upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11? Or you didn't like anything of that and that's it. So comment here. I want to know what you think about that. Okay? So see you guys in the next clip.